We're expected to be part of the always-on connected world. But wireless technologies have a mind of their own. And cellular connectivity diminishes or can even disappear when we move indoors. More than 70% of all cellular calls are made from inside. So how can we stay connected at home or in the office when building materials and other hidden barriers stand in the way of a strong signal? Meet Cell-Fi Pro, the smartest signal booster by far. So smart that not even physics can get in its way. So fast that 5 minutes is all it takes to set it up. No antennas, no cabling, no compromise. So relentless that it continuously adapts and changes in real time to eliminate dead zones and dropped calls. Cell-Fi Pro can also be configured across multiple floors, buildings, and campuses to create large footprints of intelligent coverage. Whenever you're indoors, Cell-Fi Pro has got you covered. It boosts your cellular signal so you can experience crystal clear, reliable voice connections and lightning-fast data rates on 3G, 4G, and LTE networks. Cell-Fi Pro. Obsessed with keeping you connected.